Kia has introduced the all-new EV4 and Concept EV2 at Kia EV Day 2025 in Tarragona, Spain. The new models represent a significant leap for Kia's electric vehicle EV range, with an emphasis on innovative technology, sustainability, and efficiency. The EV4 is an electric hatchback and sedan aimed at mass-market customers, and the Concept EV2 provides a preview of future compact urban electric SUV, set to be launched worldwide later this year, with the initial launch in South Korea in March. The Kia EV4 provides a mix of efficiency and innovation. For C-segment customers, it has advanced battery choices and high-tech features to enhance the electric driving experience. Let's look at some of its features. Battery options are 58.3 kilowatt standard and 81.4 kilowatt long-range battery. Driving range goes up to 630km with a long-range battery. Charging goes for 10 to 80% in 31 minutes via a 400VE GMP platform. Technology includes V2L, V2G, Digital Key 2, iPaddle 3, and a 30-inch widescreen display. The EV4 is designed for efficiency with a drag coefficient of 0.23, CD, and a tech pack interior with Netflix and YouTube streaming. It also features Highway Driving Assist 2, HDA2 for enhanced safety. The Concept EV2 foreshadows a future B-segment electric SUV aimed at urban driving. It has a small yet upscale design, an eco-friendly interior, and clever storage concepts. The series production is to be launched in 2026 in several markets.